In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to clone a YouTuber. And this can be your business mentor, it can be your competition in the business, and it can be any creator at all. And this is very important because with this AI tool, you can get important insight from your business competition. So make sure you watch it here to the end because there are lots to unpack on this video. So let's get started.
So let's say you want to clone Alex Omozi, for example. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to open up his YouTube channel. You're going to install three Chrome extensions. The first one is NoteGPT. So I'm going to show you what this Chrome extension is going to do in a minute. Then the next one is going to be your notebooklm web sync. Then the third Chrome extension you're going to install on your Chrome is the Gravity extension. So also this is going to be very useful, and I'm going to show you how to use these three Chrome extension effectively. After that, what you're going to do, you're going to head to notebooklm, and the first thing you're going to do is to scroll down and create a new notebook. If you have maybe a PDF file of a creator you want to clone, like in my case here, Alex Omozi. So if you have his book in a PDF format, or you have his audio program, or you have his YouTube video links, or anything, or just have any source that relates to him, then you're going to upload it to this notebook. Then, for example, let me just start with uploading his $100 million offer PDF. So this is the PDF. Let's just wait for it to upload to this notebook. So after uploading this PDF to the notebook, what you are going to do, you are going to rename this notebook. So from here, what you are going to do, remember I told you to install those three Chrome extensions. Then the first one we are going to use is the Grab extension. So I'm going to click on Grab it right now. Then it's going to pop up this window. Then I'm going to go to More Settings. From there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an action. I've already created an action here, so I'm just going to delete it and create it from scratch for you to see how this Chrome extension works. So after that, I'm just going to click on Add New Action. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the combination, what is going to activate the action. So my combination is going to be my left mouse click, and I'm going to select a key and my alternative key. After that, I'm going to select the box color. So this one is recommended to use a light color just to see what you're doing. So I'm going to stick with this green here. Then this is very important. So what we want is we want it to copy URLs to clipboard. So it's going to help us copy a lot of URLs to the clipboard. Then for the advanced options here, I'm just going to leave it at that. Then click on save. As you can see, a new action have been created. You can go ahead and close the settings there. So you're going to head to YouTube. So remember, we created this Alex Omozi clone. So we are going back to YouTube now. So what we are going to do, because we want to clone his YouTube channel, I'm going to go to videos. Then because I want the information to be very recent, so I'm going to select his latest videos here. So these are the latest video from Alex Omozi. Without the Grab It Chrome extension, what we could have done is copy these video links one after the other and paste it in the notebook, which is here. Just click on add, it's going to add the video links one after the other. But because of this Grab It Chrome extension, so I'm just going to click my alternative key with the left mouse button here. Then as you can see, it's highlighting the videos, and below there you're seeing two URLs to be copied to clipboard. So I'm just going to select the videos that I want to copy, and right now it has copied about 8 URLs. So after copying the video links, they need to make sure that the video links have been copied correctly. Wow, so these are the video links that I've just copied. You can see I've copied about 8 YouTube links. So instead of copying these YouTube links one after the other, this Chrome extension has helped us to copy a lot of links at the same time. So after that, then we are going to use our next Chrome extension, which is the notebooklm web sync. So what you are going to do, I've also pinned it here. I'm going to click on it. Then it's going to open up this window here. You're going to select your notebook. In our case here, the Alex Omozi clone. After that, and for this thing to work correctly like this, you need to make sure that your notebook is open so you can connect to your notebook. So like I said, you're going to click on the Chrome extension, then select the from URL list, select the notebook that you want to add the sources to. Then when you see here, you are going to see paste or drop URLs or any text with links. So those links that we copied from YouTube, we are going to paste it, about the 8 of them, and we are going to paste it here. Then we are going to click on import URLs. So what it's going to do is going to import those 8 URLs to our notebook here. So when it's done, you're going to see it has copied all those sources directly to the notebook. We don't have to do it manually by adding, go to YouTube, then add paste the link here. It's going to take a lot of time, and we're going to do it one after the other. So with the free notebook LM account, you are free to add up to 50 sources. All these YouTube videos, this AI tool is going to extract all the transcript from the video, and it's going to use that as the knowledge base for training this AI. So whatever interaction you're going to have with this clone is going to be from these sources. So you can create a new Google Doc. Then let me just delete this thing out and show you one thing. So the third Chrome extension I told you to install is the Note GPT. So this Chrome extension is going to help you copy YouTube transcript or even summarize a video for you. So let's say you want to add this video. So one thing, we can copy the links and add it there. If you check here, his videos is up to 3,000 videos. We are only limited to using 50 sources. So with this Chrome extension now, you can copy any YouTube transcript directly and create a document for it. So let's say you want to copy these 3 transcripts here. So you are going to click on this video. On the right hand side of the screen here, we are going to see this Note GPT, and we have 2 options here. One is to generate summary, which is going to summarize this video. Then the second option is to generate transcript. So I'm going to click on generate transcript to get the transcript from this video. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this video transcript, and we are just going to click here. Then you can copy with timestamp, you can copy without timestamp. So after that, you can see this pop up here, text have been copied to clipboard. So I'm going to go back to our new Google Doc. So let me paste the video transcript for you to see what I'm talking about. So this is the video transcript without the timestamp. So this is for one video. We can do the same thing for other videos. All you have to do is to go back to YouTube, go to the next video, and repeat the same thing. So after doing that, then you can just go ahead and save this as a PDF. Then you're going to go back and upload it to notebooklm. So let me just add more sources and show you how to use this clone effectively. So right now we have 21 sources. Now we can start interacting with this AI clone. So the prompt I'm giving to it is that, based on your videos, what is your opinion on the future of AI? Then I'm going to click on send. Let's wait for it to do its thing. Then it's going to give us feedback based on the sources that we have added here. So you can see the response here. So let me just give you another example here. So summarize your key arguments about productivity in a style of a blog post. Let's just see what it's going to do. So as you can see here, this is the response. So all this response is based off the sources that we have added right here. So you can also go on to have more discussions with this AI concerning this or concerning any other thing related to what this guy is always talking about. So let me give you one more example. Generate 5 video ideas for a new video that are consistent with your past content. You can see how powerful this AI clone is. So this is not what you get from your average ChatGPT or your custom GPT. This is just tailored to the creator that you are talking about, and in this case, this is just tailored to Alex Emozi. And also based on these sources, that we have supplied to the AI. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. And if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.